Well, that is one term question I'm having here. I'm saying that y is equal to ln in brackets. Everything is x squared all over x plus 1. And you are asked to find y prime. I'm sure you can do that. It's very simple. If you can differentiate everything here now, then divide it by everything there. It can go a long way. Okay? But before you do that, remember we are dealing with log. This is not just the quotient rule, because some people may be thinking quotient rule. This is not quotient rule. What you do is first, y is equal to, that was why I taught you that was why I first taught you the rules of basic log. So this is ln x squared minus ln in bracket x plus. Remember now, when we are dividing, okay, they can subtract. So after doing this, you can now solve, right? How do you solve them? Let's solve them individually. So y dx is going to be, simply put, y prime is going to be ln, sorry. Wait, that is something I wanted to do magic, but the magic does not work here, please. So this is y prime is equal to, now how do you handle this? First of all, derivative of this is going to be what? 2x. Divide by a whole of them, which is x squared. Fine. Minus derivative of everything inside is just 1. I'll over everything that's simply, which is x plus 1. That's all. Then this cancels this, and I have that y prime is equal to 2 over x minus 1 over x plus 1. That is the answer. Can you try this? Let me give you something a little hard. If I have y is equal to ln, let's say 2x raised to 3, divided by x squared. No, that does not make sense, please. That based on is not good enough. Let me remove this and put something, let's say x plus 3. Now, try this, solve it. Let me see what your answer is going to do.